Ever feel like your kitchen faucet just isn't keeping up with your daily routine? What if I told you there's a budget-friendly faucet that looks premium, installs in minutes, and actually makes your life easier? Today, we're checking out the OWOFAN kitchen faucet, and by the end of this video, you'll know if it's the right upgrade for your kitchen, RV, or even your laundry setup. Product features. Let's start with what makes this faucet stand out. First, you get a dual-mode sprayer, meaning you can switch between a soft, aerated stream for everyday use and a powerful spray for tough cleaning. Whether you're rinsing veggies or blasting off grease, it handles both easily. The 360-degree swivel design is a big plus. You can move it freely in any direction, which is perfect for double sinks or multitasking. Now, build quality. This faucet is made from sus 304 stainless steel, which means it's rust-resistant and built to last. Inside, you've got food-grade PEX hoses, so your water stays safe and clean. Another highlight is the ceramic disc valve, designed for long-term durability. No annoying drips, no constant maintenance, and installation. Super simple. It supports 1-hole or 3-hole setups, and you can install it yourself in under 25 minutes, no plumber needed. That's money saved right there. Pros and cons. Pros: affordable but looks high-end. Easy DIY installation, beginner-friendly. Dual spray modes for flexibility. Durable stainless steel build. Works great in kitchens, RVs, laundry rooms, and more. Cons: deck plate is not included. You'll need to buy it separately if required. The industrial spring design might not suit every kitchen style. Overall review: so, is the OWOFAN kitchen faucet worth it? Honestly, yes, especially if you're looking for a budget-friendly upgrade that doesn't feel cheap. It's practical, durable, and surprisingly versatile. This faucet is perfect for homeowners, renters, or even RV users who want something reliable without spending a fortune. It may not be a luxury brand, but for the price, it delivers serious value. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest kitchen upgrades. And if you want to check out the OWOFAN kitchen faucet for yourself,